Hello. Today we learn about the optimality test. For optimality test, it is necessary and sufficient condition is the given transportation problem is non-degenerate. Okay, the solution of given transportation problem is non-degenerate. Then we apply the optimality test. Now, how to find the non-degenerate? The solution is whether generate or non-degenerate. So it is depend on the total number of allocation. If m, that is total number of row, and that is total number of column, minus 1. Okay, total number of this amount is equal to total number of allocation, then the given solution is called non-degenerate. Okay, and if the given solution is non-degenerate, then we applying the optimality test. Okay, there are two methods in optimality test. The first one is stepping stone method, and the second one is Modi method. Okay, today we learn about the stepping stone method. Okay, let's take one example. Okay, this example can be solved by any of three methods, that is LCM, NWCM or WAM. Okay, then you have to check the total number of allocation and also to check m plus n minus 1. If both are equal, then you can apply the stepping stone method, otherwise Modi method. Okay, it is 180, 120, 150. Both are equal, that is 450. Therefore, the given problem is balanced transportation problem. Okay, now in this example we are going through NWCM method, that is northwest corner method. So we start from the north corner, here 16, 180, 200. So we allocate here 180, cancel this is 20, this is 0, going to this cell here 120, 20. So allocate here 20, so it is 0, it is 100. Now going to this cell, we allocate here 100, so cancel 100 and write 0, cancel 160 and write 60. Now going through this cell, here we allocate 60, so it is 0 and it is 90. Allocate here 90, it is 0 and it is 0. Okay, this is the optimal solution. This is the initial basic feasible solution. Okay, now we find the total transportation cost, that is minimum cost, minimum transportation cost is 16 into 180 plus 20 into 20 plus 8 into 100 plus 18 into 60 plus 16 into 90, and that is equal to 6,600 rupees. Okay, now the initial basic feasible solution of this is x11 equal to 180, x12 equal to 20, x22 equal to 100, x23 is equal to 60, and x33 equal to 90. Okay, now this is the initial basic feasible solution. Now we have to check it is degenerate or non-degenerate. total number of row is total number of row m is equal to 3, total number of column n equal to 3. Okay, now we check m plus n minus 1. So 3 plus 3 minus 1, so it is equal to 5, and the number of allocations are 1 2 3 4 5, which is equal to what? Number of allocation. Okay, therefore the given solution is non-degenerate. Okay, so the given solution is non-degenerate, so we are going by through optimality test. Okay, हम लोग optimality test अप्लाई करेंगे. सो इसके लिए हम लोग को एक लूप जनरेट करनी होती है. ओके, वी हैव टू जनरेट वन लूप. स्टेपिंग स्टोन मेथड. Okay, stepping stone method is always for unoccupied cell. stepping stone method आपका unoccupied cell के लिए ही हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, हियर हाउ मेनी unoccupied cell? 1 2 3 and 4. in this unoccupied cell we have to make a loop. we have to generate one loop अनऑक्यूपाइड सेल से स्टार्ट करनी है, लेकिन वो वहाँ पे यहाँ से स्टार्ट करनी है और यहाँ पे ख़त्म करनी है घूम के. बट द कंडीशन इज़ दैट इसका जो टर्निंग पॉइंट होता है वो आपका ऑक्यूपाइड सेल होना चाहिए. मीन्स लूप का जहाँ पे मोड़ आएगा वो जो सेल है वो ऑक्यूपाइड होना चाहिए, तो ही आप लूप को वहाँ से मोड़ सकते हो. ठीक है. सो हियर दिस इज़ फर्स्ट अनऑक्यूपाइड सेल, दिस इज़ फर्स्ट अनऑक्यूपाइड सेल, this unoccupied, this one, this one, this one. How many unoccupied cells? This one, A3. Okay, A3, A3. Second unoccupied cell, B1. Third unoccupied cell, C1, and fourth one is C2. Okay, there are 4 unoccupied cell, so we have to make 4 loop for this cell. Okay, first one, this. Here we start from here. Okay, and going through down, we come here because there are occupied cell. We turn this one, going to this and this. Okay, so this is one loop. Okay, so where you start, right here plus sign, then here minus, then next plus, then it is minus. The sign are allocated as alternate, plus minus plus minus. Okay, first you start from plus, then minus, then plus, then minus. Okay, and write the value. Now here the cost is 12, so for A3 there is 12 minus 18 because there are minus sign, plus 8 minus 20. Okay, so the value of A3 is equal to what? Minus 18. Okay, similarly we are going through we are find from this B1 cell. For B1 loop is generated from here, going up, then side, then down and back to this cell. Okay, so plus minus plus minus. Now you can count it orally. So it is 14 plus minus 16, then plus 20, then minus 8. So it is equal to 0. Okay, so it is equal to 0. Now for C1 means this cell. Now for C1 the loop will be start from here. From here we going to this cell. Okay, here we are going to this cell because there are occupations, so we turn loop. Now we going down, then we going side, then we going down and then come back to this C1 cell. So our loop is this and this. Okay, so write the value of this cost of this cell, that is here 26. So write 26 minus 16 plus 20 minus 8 plus 18 minus 16, and then back to the 7 cell. So the total amount is 24. Now for the last loop, okay, for this loop we have small loop. We start from here, go up, then side, then down, and back to the cell. Okay, so 24 minus 8 plus 18 minus 16. Okay, so it is 18. Understood? Now there are 4 values we get: a3, b1, c1 and c2. There are 1 are negative. If all are positive, then our solution is optimal. If all are positive, then जो हमने solution find किया है वही optimal है, उसके अलावा और कोई choice नहीं है. But if there are any negative, you have to find the optimal. Okay, you have to find the next solution. If there are 1 negative, then there is no problem. If there are more than 1 negative value, then you have to select the most negative value. Okay, now listen. Now we find the we have to correct this cell. Which cell? A3. For A3, this is A3. For A3 we have, what is our loop? This loop, 12, 18, 8 and 20, plus minus plus minus. Okay, we have to find the negative cell. Negative cell, there are 2 negative cell. First one is this 18 and second one is 20. In this cell there are 2 occupations. First is 20 and second is 60. So what is minimum? So 20 is minimum. So we add 20, okay, in plus sign, and subtract 20 in plus sign and subtract 20 in negative sign. Okay, so ये दोनों में हम लोग 100 है तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 120, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है तो लिखेंगे 20, यहाँ से माइनस की साइन है तो यहाँ पे 20 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो लिखेंगे 40, यहाँ से 20 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो लिखेंगे 0. ओके, सो देर आर नो एनी allocations in this cell. Okay, so again we make a table 1 2 3, supply, demand, that is 16, 20, 12, 14, 8, 18, 26, 24, 16. Okay, so there are these allocations are there. Okay, it is 180 as it is. Here we subtract 20 from this cell, so there are no allocations in this cell. Here we add 20, so we write here 20. We subtract here 20, so it is 40. We add here 20, so it is 120. Okay, the another allocations is same. Okay, so this is the next solution. Okay, now again we have to check it is optimal or not. For that we have 4 unoccupied cell, 1 2 3 and 4. Again we find the value. First one is for A2, second one is B1, third one is C1 and fourth one is C2. Okay, for that A2 loop is starting from here, going this side, this side, this side, and we're going to back from that cell. Okay, in that cell. So we have to write now direct 20 minus 12 plus 18 minus 8. Okay, so total is 18. Now second is B1. For B1 we have to start the loop from here, go this cell, then going to this cell, down and come back to B1. Okay, so 14 से स्टार्ट करेंगे. 14 minus 16 plus 12 minus 18. Okay, so the total answer is minus 8. C1 के लिए यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. यहाँ पे सिंपल एक स्क्वायर बनेगा, यहाँ से यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे. सो 26 minus 16 plus 12 minus 16. So it is plus 16. For C2 सिंपल एक स्क्वायर लूप बनेगी छोटी सी, यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ, यहाँ और यहाँ. सो 24 minus 8 plus 18 minus 16. ओके, सो ये आएगा आपका टोटल 18. नाउ if all are positive then we stop here and the given solution is optimal, but here is also once again the one negative value is come, so we are correct this value. okay, so हम लोग को फिर से जो सॉल्यूशन है उसमें थोड़ा सा चेंजेस लाना पड़ेगा. कौन सी सेल है? B1. ओके, B1 मीन्स दिस सेल एंड द लूप इज हियर 1 अप, साइड, डाउन एंड कम बैक. ओके, सो प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस. ओके, इसमें माइनस वाली सेल कितनी है? 2 है, एक 180 और दूसरा 140. ओके, सो 180 और 140 में से हमें मिनिमम सिलेक्ट करना है. हमारे पास 2 सेल है, एक 180, 2 नेगेटिव वैल्यू है, एक 180 और दूसरा है 40. दोनों में मिनिमम है आपका 40. तो 40 को हमें जो प्लस साइन वाला सेल है उसमें ऐड करना है और 40 को जो नेगेटिव साइन वाला सेल है उसमें से सबट्रैक्ट करना है. ठीक है, अगेन वी स्टार्ट टेबल 1 2 3 एंड सप्लाई. और सप्लाई डिमांड में तो कोई चेंजेस नहीं आएगा, सो हम लोग नहीं लिख रहे हैं अभी. दैट इज 16 20 12 14 8 18 26 24 16. okay, here in 90 there are no loops, so right here 90 it is as it is. Now 120 there are no sign in this cell, so 120 is also same. Now for corner, for loop corner, add 40 in this प्लस साइन वाली सेल में. हम लोग को प्लस 40 ऐड करना है, तो हम लोग लिखेंगे यहाँ पे प्लस 40. इन नेगेटिव सेल, नेगेटिव साइन सेल वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 40, सो it is 140. here it is plus sign cell, so we add 20 into 40, that is equal to 20 plus 40, that is equal to 60. okay, and in this cell we subtract 40, so 40 minus 40 is 0, so we write here nothing. okay, so there is no allocation in B3 cell. so there are our new solution. Now again we have to check it is optimal or not optimal. okay, for that again we find for unoccupied cell, that is first is A2, second is B3, third is C1 and fourth is C2. for A2 start loop from here, down, side, up and come back. so 20 minus 8 plus 14 minus 16, that is equal to 10. For B3 we start here, go this side, going up, side and come back, that is 18 minus 14 plus 16 minus 12, that is equal to 8. For C1, this C1, the all corner of that matrix 26, 16, 12 and 16. So 26 minus 16 plus 12 minus 16, so it is equal to 8. For C2, okay, for C2 there are long loop. ओके, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, यहाँ से यहाँ पे जाएंगे, यहाँ से टर्न लेंगे, फिर यहाँ पे जाएंगे, फिर यहाँ से यहाँ पे टर्न लेंगे, फिर यहाँ पे जाएंगे और फिर यहाँ से यहाँ पे टर्न लेंगे. ओके, वी मेक अ क्लोज लूप. ओके, सो 24 minus 8 plus 14 minus 16 plus 12 minus 16, which is equal to 10. Oh, that's good. All are positive. Okay, all the values are positive, so the given solution is optimal. Okay, जो हमने find किया है अभी solution, वो आपका solution है optimal, because all the value unoccupied cell has the value positive. So we find the minimum transportation cost, that is equal to 16 into 140 plus 14 into 40 plus 8 into 120 plus 12 into 60 plus 16 into 90. So it is equal to 4586. ओके, जो हमारा पहले कितना आया था 6600 रुपीज़, वो मिनिमाइज होके हो रहा है 4586 रुपीज़. ओके, दिस इज द ऑप्टिमल सॉल्यूशन एंड दिस मेथड आर नोन एज स्टेपिंग स्टोन मेथड. अगेन वी फाइंड द इनिशियल बेसिक फिजिबल सॉल्यूशन इज x11 is 140, x13 is 60, x21 is equal to 40, x22 is equal to 120 and x33 is equal to 90. Okay, this is the initial basic feasible solution. Okay, final initial basic feasible solution is this, and this is the optimal solution. Okay, optimal. Okay, when you are told ask about the optimal solution, you have to find the first, you have to find the initial basic feasible solution and then applying optimality test and check the given solution is optimal or not. Agar if it is not optimal, then find the optimal solution by the stepping stone method or Modi method.